Chapter 9 is Prevent Overflows, and there is a situation that if they transfer the zombies to the address 0, and it will burn the token, and I think you already heard about this, so it will disappear. So why this happen is because if the whole overflow happen, and it will become sending the address to 0, and for example in this case, if this is u in 8 and the maximum number is 2 times 2 power 8 minus 1 is 255, and if 255 and then if we add 1, and it will reset back to 0, and it's just like the clock going from 11 p.m. 11:59 minutes to 00.00. And underflow is very similar. If you subtract 1 from uint that equals 0, and it will now equal to 55. Well, we are not using uint 8 here, and it seems unlikely that uint 56 will overflow by incrementing by 1 each time, but there is also have the probability to make this happen, and we do not want this behavior. So we are going to use the safe math, and which is a open sapling library, and this is a special type of contract, and this is how to use the safe math. So we have to import inside this test, we have to import the safe math.sol. So we copy this and go to here and type import safemath.sol, and then to declare using the safe math here, and which is actually we can just copy this and paste to here. So now we can check the answer.